One of the largest ocean-dwelling mammals on Earth, the walrus, also known as the tooth-walking seahorse, is a large flippered marine mammal found primarily around the Arctic Circle. Walruses are the only living species in the family Odobenidae, with two recognized subspecies, the Atlantic walrus and the Pacific walrus. Adult walruses are characterized by their giant tusks, whiskers, and bulky bodies. They can weigh up to 4,400 pounds and grow up to 13 feet in length. Their tusks can reach up to 30 inches, which they use primarily to pull themselves out of the water or onto ice, as well as for fighting and defending themselves against predators such as polar bears and orcas. Walruses are carnivorous, with a diet that mainly consists of clams, mollusks, crabs, and fish.